In this video, you'll see a demonstration of car-to-cloud, or C2C, software over the air, or SOTA, and its workflow. You'll see an overview of the architecture with objectives, then the demo setup and some scripts. Finally, you'll see a SOTA upgrade demo on a device. This is a diagram of the C2C SOTA architecture. For third-party components, we have Carota server on the cloud side and MasterDA, a download agent, on the device side. Carota server connects to MasterDA and C2C through HTTP, and MasterDA provides APIs to download packages from Carota server. For the C2C component, there is a web portal to upload packages to C2C. On the device side is C2C Edge Hub to talk to C2C over MQTT. The FOTA Manager and SOTA Manager manage the FOTA workflow and SOTA workflows respectively. The C2C component is Qualcomm proprietary. For TelAF components, the TelAF update service talks to many other components and provides simple OTA APIs to the client. Download APIs supports the downloading of packages. App Management APIs support app management. They include functionalities like get app info, start, stop, and uninstall the app. Install APIs support the installation of the app bundle with the update daemon, which is part of the Legato application framework. This frame shows the demo setup. On the right, you see the C card. It's an SA515 8+8 interposer with a SIM card inserted to set up the data call. There is a microphone and speaker connected for audio and USB cables for ADB and console output. For software, refresh MetaBuild 66 NAD core release. To provision the device, there is a certificate, a provisioning key, and configuration files for registration. This diagram shows the SOTA demo flow. In Step 1, you initiate a download task on cloud. In Step 2, the NAD device gets notification to download, install, and start Voice Call app, which is a sandbox app. In Step 3, Net device reports status to server. In Step 4, since the Voice Call app was started in Step 2, the user can now make a phone call, hold, and hang up with the Voice Call app. In Step 5, NAD device gets notification to stop and uninstall Voice Call app. This frame shows some demo scripts. In Step 1, you initiate a download task by uploading a SOTA package to the server. For example, in Web Portal, click Open and select Voice Call App 1.3 as the SOTA package. The Web Portal finds the version with that file name. Click Upload. You see that Voice Call App 1.3 is uploaded to the server. Note these prerequisites. You must onboard a device or VIN with a specific model, and it should be in the active state after a successful onboarding. The VIN should be onboarded to the Carota server. On the device side, you can check the status of the OTA daemon process. In the SOTA Manager log, a message shows that the SOTA Manager has successfully connected to C2C. So the SOTA Manager is able to receive messages from the C2C Edge Hub. In the C2C Edge Hub log, you can see that the NAD device is already provisioned, so the C2C Edge Hub can talk to C2C. Since the device is ready, you can install the Voice Call app. Select the Install operation for Voice Call App 1.3, then select the target device and click Install. In Step 2, you can check the status of the download and installation. The update service log shows that the download has started. It shows download % completed and the download success rate. The log also shows the install success rate. The app tool shows the app status. Here you see that the Voice Call app is installed on the NAD device, but it is stopped and not running. The Web Portal UI also shows that the NAD device installed the Voice Call app 1.3. You can start the Voice Call app from the Web Portal UI. Select Start from the Operation dropdown for Voice Call app version 1.3. Confirm the device ID and click Start. The voice call app log shows that the voice call app is started and is now in running state. The web portal UI shows voice call app 1.3 is in running state on the NAD device. In step 3, the NAD device reports success after probation. The TelAF update service goes back to idle state for the next update task. In step 4, since the voice call app was started in step 2, we can now make a phone call, hold and play the audio, and hang up the phone call. When holding and playing the audio, the voice call app log shows that the voice call app assesses the sandbox path. Now the voice call app is in running state, so you can stop the voice call app. In the web portal UI, select Stop from the Operation dropdown for voice call app 1.3. Confirm the device ID and click Stop. In step 5, the voice call app log shows that voice call app is stopped and is not in running state. The web portal UI shows that the status of voice call app 1.3 is stopped on the NAD device. If there's no further need for the voice call app, you can remove it. In the web portal UI, select Uninstall from the Operation dropdown for voice call app 1.3, confirm the device ID, and click Uninstall. The voice call app log shows that voice call app is removed. It no longer appears in the app list of the NAD device. The web portal UI shows that the uninstall action for voice call app 1.3 was successful. Next, go to the NAD device and run commands within ADB shell. Check the SOTA manager first. The message SOTA Core Connect Successful indicates that the SOTA manager is connected to the C2C Edge Hub. Then check the C2C Edge Hub. The message tells you whether the device is already provisioned, showing that the C2C Edge Hub can connect to C2C. Use the log tool to search log messages. You can monitor the update service log by searching for the keyword TelAF update. Similarly, you can use the log tool to monitor the voice call app with keyword voice call app. Use the app tool to check the app status. Here, you can see that voice call app does not appear in the app list. Once you've determined that the device is ready, you can move to the web portal. Upload the SOTA package by clicking Upload App, Open, Voice Call App 2.1, and the web portal will find the version with that file name. Enter the description for SOTA demo and click Upload. Since the Voice Call App 2.1 has already been uploaded, I click Cancel. Click to expand the Voice Call App 2.1. Here you see that there are no devices listed because we have not installed Voice Call App 2.1 to any device. Here we take uploaded Voice Call App 1.3 as an example for the demo. Select Install from the Operation dropdown, select the NAD device, and click Install. On the NAD device, you can see that the C2C Edge Hub received a message from C2C. It then sends notification to the SOTA manager, and the SOTA manager calls the TelAF Update Service API to download and install the voice call app. The update service log shows the download start, the download percentage, and the download success state. When the download is finished, the update service starts to install the voice call app. The log shows the install process and the install success state. Use the app tool to check the app status. Here it shows that voice call app is installed on the NAD device and it is stopped, not in running state. Return to the web portal UI and expand voice call app 1.3. The device that installed voice call app 1.3 is listed here. Contrast that with the device list for voice call app 2.1, which is empty. Start the voice call app by selecting Start from the Operation dropdown. Confirm the device ID and click Start. Return to the NAD device. When starting the voice call app, the SOTA manager calls the App Management API in the update service to start the voice call app. Use the app tool to check the app status. Here you see that the voice call app is in the running state. You can also check app status in the web portal UI. It shows that voice call app is in the running state on the device. In the update service log, the NAD device reports success after probation. The update service returns to the idle state for the next update task. Since the voice call app is running, we can make a phone call. Here, the log shows the phone call being received and answered. You can place the call on hold while the audio file plays. Then, you can hang up the phone call. The voice call app log shows that the voice call app registers a handler to the TelAF voice call service. And TelAF voice call service handles different events when you make a phone call, hold, and hang up the phone call. In the web portal UI, you can stop the voice call app. Select Stop from the Operation dropdown, confirm the device ID, and click Stop. Use the App tool to check the status. The log shows that the voice call app is stopped. You can also check the status in the web portal. Click the task Voice Call App 1.3. You can see that Voice Call App 1.3 is stopped on the NAD device. You can remove the Voice Call app from the NAD device. In the web portal, select Uninstall from the Operation dropdown, confirm the device ID, and click Uninstall. We can check the app status again. The log shows that the voice call app is not listed in the app list of the NAD device. The web portal shows that the uninstall action was successful. Click History to show that all 4 operations have been performed successfully. Thanks for watching our series of videos on the Telematics application framework.